Okay. Today's agenda is control statements such as if, nested if, else if, and looping statements as for loop and while loop. So let's we jump to Jupyter Notebook. Here is my Jupyter Notebook. There is a keyword called input which accepts the data dynamically. Please enter the marks. I am making is 35 if marks equal is greater than or equal to 35, print student has passed. Else print failed. Yes. Else failed. See, we are receiving this integer, so I'm accepting this int parameter, and by using the input parameter I can dynamically enter the value such that, so I have entered. Guys, my voice is clear, right? So yes, Okay. So this input is a keyword which we can accept it dynamically at runtime. We can accept the data. So let us execute here. I'll execute again. I'll run this. I'll give this 25. Then I will control enter. If I press here else print failed failed. See here the mark is 25. So my condition is if marks is greater than 35, I'm gonna see you are like in normal programming language we can use if and else if same we can use, but here the difference is we have to use the semicolon here. It means that it is the condition here. It tests the condition. The scope of the condition will terminate here. This is the beauty of the Python here. Any doubt here or clear? Guys, any doubt? Fine. Okay. Now we will see one more nested ifs. Like again, Abhi, if I didn't get you, Abhi. We don't needed this multi-line. Which one, Abhi? This here?
Hello,
Yeah,
able to hear me?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so for the multi-line statement, do we need like second bracket like in other programming language? For the single line, we don't need any second bracket, curly braces. But for multi-line statement, like I'm doing a if, multiple print statement or any other code also.
Yeah, we don't require. No, no. I just wanted to making that. That's a to make you that clear. That's it. Okay. It's not necessary. Okay. So we'll go again. I'm accepting. I'm just comparing again as three variables here. A int len input. Please enter a value for a. I'm accepting again. I'm comparing between the A, B, C. If A is greater than B, and less than C. If A greater than B and less than C. Greater than B and also C. Is this fine here? Else int A is smaller. So we have given A is 15 and 26 and 45. In this, we got the A is smaller than. Okay, let us say I'm gonna give the other values. A is 35, A is 22, C is 55. So what will be my output here? What will be my output? Everybody able to view my screen, right? What will be the output in this case? What will be the output in this? If A is greater than B and less than C. Here is A is greater than B, yes, and less than C. So A is greater than B and C also. Okay. Okay. Now we will check whether given number is even number or not. And we execute A, B, C one time and execute this block is other time. So you will not get the error. Okay. Abhi make the intent right. Else you make it to left corner actually. Indentation problem. You make else to towards left again. Because of this intent only, this you might be getting the error. Finding a given number. Okay, Abhi. Cool. Okay. A equal to int. Please enter a value. int of input 47 if a is divided by 2. This is equal. If you have single equal, it is meaning of assigning. Print print okay Abhi, I'll see you Abhi. I'll look into it. Enter 60 50 40. Fine. You are getting a is smaller. So you need to adjust. Okay, you need to adjust the syntax. If a is greater than b, okay, this way. If a is greater than b and a is also greater than a is greater than c, print a is bigger. Okay. In this case, 60 is greater than b, true, and also 60 is greater than 40. Let us say here. I'll execute the same. I'll go back to here. 60. Okay, we need to give and. Yes, sir. You got the point, right? Shall I move? It's and. It's and, sir. Okay. See here, I'm gonna check this whether a given number is even or odd. Else print. It is executing, sir. I don't know why it's taking this much of time. And Uh, yes, Abhi, are you getting? Okay. Yes. No, no, my system is taking time. That's it. Okay. Uh, we will see complex if here. Nested ifs. Nested if. Okay. Marks. Again, I'm going with again same with marks. Marks equal to int of input. Please enter the marks. Okay. Guys, just hold on. I'll close my Jupyter notebook and I'll restart. Okay. 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 I have given the marks. I'm given the marks as a 57. So I have marks as a 57. I'm gonna write multiple ifs. If marks greater than or equal to 0 and marks less than 35. Okay. I need to print your your failed. Else 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 if, right? Normally we write like in normal programming languages we use else if. In as a, when it comes to the Python language we can give if. What is meaning of else if? Else if. Yes, else if, sir. Yes, Nirmala. Else if only. ELIF. Okay. Else if marks greater than or equal to 35 and marks less than 50 when print you passed in third grade. Again, else if marks greater than or equal to 50 and marks less than 60 print you passed in second grade. Again, else if marks greater than or equal to 60 and marks less than or equal to 100. You passed in first, else if print invalid invalid marks. Else, because I'm not making again any more if condition here, I'm just giving this one. Till this, everybody clear? Or any doubt in this conditions? Nested ifs. Guys, everybody clear here? Guys, everybody clear?
Yes, Suresh.
Okay, okay. So I have given the mark as a 57. So this is in between these two range. So my thing will be you passed in second grade. If I execute this, I should get you passed in second grade. Right? Let us do one more complex nested if. I'm just taking time equal to int input, enter your time. Okay, okay, my time is 11 o'clock. If time is greater than 7 and time is less than 10, print it's time to breakfast. Else if time is greater than or equal to 10 and time is less than 12, print it's time to have lunch when else if time is greater than or equal to 12 and time is less than or equal to less than or equal to 15, print it's time to here I'll make as a brunch. Here it's time to have a lunch else print invalid invalid time. Okay, so I have given as 11, so it is a time for brunch. Here I missed it. Okay, else it's a time to have a brunch. This is about the nested ifs. Okay, we will see one more nested if, one more complex nested if, by using the two parameters here. As so far we have seen the one variable and we have tested it. We will see the two parameters here. Let us take gender equal to input male. Again I am taking as a name equal to input enter your name, right? Suresh. Okay, now we will play with this two numbers. Here if gender equal to male. Okay, okay, what we will do, we will execute at the same time here. And if gender equal to male or gender equal to female, female. Again, I'm looking like I can accept the gender as male or female. Again, I'm doing gender is here. This is not equal to female if name equal to Suresh. After every F, it should be this print This is Suresh from Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Else, else if name equal, else if name equal to Sahib, print this is Sahib from intending is wrong. Okay, from Bangalore. Okay, again, else, else, print your name is invalid. Okay, else else print sorry. Okay, is this everybody understood this one? Guys, any doubt here? Here I am checking the male and gender. If it is male, too much background noise. Sahib, and it was. Is there any sounds coming from there? So let me close my door actually. Yes, sir, here. I'll execute. I'll enter my gender as male. Suresh. This is from Hyderabad. Okay. If I execute again, now is this clear, Sahib? Now voice is clear. Yes. Okay. Now again, we will test the same condition. Again, I'm testing it. Female, and my name is Suresh. What should be the output here? What should I should get? How can we check the? can we check the case? Abhi, I'll get back to you, Abhi. Okay, is this fine, Abhi? I'll answer you end of the session. Okay. See, if I'm given gender as a male, female, and my name is Suresh. So what should be the my output? Are you able to see my screen, right? This is Suresh from Hyderabad. Sure. Sorry. Yes, I should get sorry. I got the sorry. Right. Is there any doubt in nested ifs here? Every condition is followed by semicolon. In it has if it is an else if condition, it should be again also it would be a semicolon. Any doubt so far here? No, what I mean to say, Anwar, here whatever you are. Okay, let me repeat you once again. Whenever you are testing with if conditions or else if, it should be ending with colon. Here you could see, right, it should be ending with colon, right? That's what I'm repeating here. Okay, we will see for loop. Okay, we will create a list, whatever we created yesterday. Why else in the last? Okay, okay, see here again. I given gender as a male. If I won't given anything, I'm not giving anything. So this else will give you the invalid. Nirmala, is this fine? Okay. Now we will see. Now, in order to display all elements in a list. So last time in last class we have seen, right? If you display a list, it will display. In order to display, we can use for loop for I in list print I. I wanted to list one by one. So if I list it, I'll list it in a whole. When I list one by one, here I'm listing it for one by one. For loop, but I'm using for loop, and I'm with using the for loop, I'm printing one by one. One printed first, two, three, four, five, seven. Is this fine? Guys, are you getting my point? Okay. Now, let us take a string here. So a string equal to, how can we get output in a same line? Same line in the sense, Anwar? How can we get output in the same line? Okay, like this way. Wait, I'm trying to understand. If we wanted to see here, if I wanted to do that way, I'll use print list. That's the only way. We cannot use the for to get in this way simultaneous, whatever the way you asked. The for loop, what it will bring you, right? It will print one by one till end of the array. Okay. Here I wanted to print for I by 2 in string. Whatever I am not getting. Also printing the same. Okay, Anwar, I'll answer. I'll WhatsApp you. I'll text you if you wanted to print differently. Okay, let me think on that. Yes, Abhi. I'll. You have any idea, Abhi? Okay. This way you want. Okay, I'll try to find out a way. Okay, Abhi. Print I. What will happen? See, we got the vertical one by one. It is getting displaying here. Okay. Homework for today is print. Sorry, not for. See, I'm giving one homework. Print a table by using for loop. Example: if I give input equal to input equal to 2, I will get 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2, 2 into 10 equal to 20. Sir, we can, yes, Nirmala, we can see that one in end. Okay, we will see while loop here. See, I am doing number equal to 1 while while num greater than 5 or less than or equal to 5. We will discuss at the end of the session. Sorry for that. Okay. Let me finish the agenda for the today. Increment and condition. I'll show you how to increment now. We will talk about the increment, how to increment. If number is while I'm gonna give number is equal to less than or equal to 5, print count of number is num. Okay. Here you can see here num equal to I'm incrementing plus equal to 1 or num equal to num plus 1. This way you can increment. Okay. See, I'm I'm listing the I'm using the while loop and I'm printing the numbers from 1 to 5. Right. Abhi, you can see here, right? This is the way I'm incrementing here. First, I have taken number equal to 1. It comes to the while condition. It checks for the number equal less than 5. Then it prints. Again, it adds. Then it will be in a loop. Right. Here, now I'm gonna display. In for loop also same, Abhi. In for loop also same. I'll tell you. I'll explain you one for loop actually. Okay, you will see. Uh, no, Abhi, this works in C, C++. I'll explain you, Abhi. I'll explain you. Let me finish this. What is infinite loop? No, no, no. There is no such called infinite loop here. Oh, in the okay. We'll see. We'll talk one by one. 1 to 10 scores. I'm gonna print the. Let us take a equal to 11, b equal to 0. If sorry, I'm gonna check the while, right. A is less than b. Why b is less than a? I'm gonna use print square of this plus string of b is gain plus this plus will concatenate. That's it. Str b power square on b equal to b plus 1, right. Yes, Abhi, thanks. See here. Square of 0 is 0, square of 1 is 1, and square of 2 is 4. Square of this way we can print the squares. We will do one more while condition. Okay. I'm just checking while true, while true, name equal to input enter name and sorry, if name is not equal to fresh, continue print hello, comma, name, comma, please enter password. When once I enter the password, I'll ask for the password. When okay, one second. Oh, sorry, I wrongly entered. I wrongly pressed Alt Enter. Just wait for a minute. Ayyo, sorry. Guys, there was some issue with my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so once we enter, we get the password, input, if password equal to Daksha ML print tells print here I am putting the break print thank you. UL is expected intent. Okay, enter my name. Congratulations. If let us say if I give some other different name, I'm giving Naresh. What it will show? Again it asks for the name till it gives the Suresh. So with this we are gonna winding up the looping concepts. If, while, do, nested ifs we have done the. So I hope our agenda for the day has been completed. Ifs, nested ifs, else ifs, looping, do loop, for loop, while loops. Sir, and for your assignment, printing of a table. See, let us take for I in range. I use a keyword called in range from 1 to 11.
1 to 10.
I'll give the one to. Can you explain the use of continue break and why there is a true? Nirmal, like here, see, I'm breaking here. Let us say here, I was, if password is not correct, even I'm not displaying it, I'm just cutting down the flow and I'm not asking for the continue here. Again, it will not ask. If I ask for the continue, again it asks for the enter password here. Let us say here, continue, Naresh, if I'm given Suresh. Okay, password. Okay, I'm giving password as test. What it should do? Again, it should ask for the enter your name. Again, it starts from the name. If I give a Suresh, password, that's it. It will be in a loop. Again, it will loop. It won't stop after here. So that was the reason. Once you wanted to enter everything, we wanted to be in a. If you use continue loop, it will never be true. Again, it will be in continuous loop. See, if you wanted to cut down the while equal to true, we are using the break. I hope you understood. In order to cut down the while condition here, we are using the break here. Is this clear, Nirmala? Is this clear? Okay. I'm giving the for range, this one again, remainder equal to. So okay, I'll use equal to, what I'll give, 10 into I. Then I'll use print. I'm printing the 10th table here. Print 10 into comma comma I I comma quotes again comma null. This will present you the 10th table. Okay, let us see here. Let us try to execute. Guys, there is some problem with my Jupyter notebook, and you okay? Let me. It is getting connected. Ideally, this should work, Abhi, and you try it and let me know, Abhi. There was some issue with my Jupyter notebook today. And hope and nobody has doubt today. Hello? Do you have any doubts? Or can we wind up the session today? See the table here printed. Abhi, can you see here? Yes, that was I was asking about you. Okay, guys. Do you have any doubts in this particular session? Okay, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow.